Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video number 196, you can learn a few useful phrases often used by native speakers. By the by, if you're new to this channel, you can check the 190 plus videos that are enough for anyone to reach a comfortable level of speaking Tamil. You can check the link below or click the link on the top right. More than anything, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to be notified of new videos. And that will encourage us further to make videos. And don't forget to give your suggestions and ask doubt, if any, in the comment section. Let us now move on to the phrases. The first phrase is, listen carefully to what I say. Imagine the grandma is giving some important advice while the girl is very cheeky to that. She's not listening. So the grandma says, நான் சொல்றது கொஞ்சம் கவனமா கேளு. Often you'll see that I string some of the letters purposely so that it helps you to follow my pronunciation. Oftentimes the consonant sounds are muted and you should develop a sensitivity to that. But it can be easily achieved when you parrot or shadow repeat what I say. It is not sollarada, instead solrada. This is why I ask you to repeat what I say, so you can slowly get into the intonation as well as the flow of the language. It helps you to easily understand when someone speaks in a fast manner. Listen carefully to what I say. நான் சொல்றது to what I say கொஞ்சம் a bit கவனமா கேளு. Listen carefully. நான் சொல்றத கொஞ்சம் கவனமா கேளு. நான் சொல்றத கொஞ்சம் கவனமா கேளு. You're not paying attention to anything at all. நீ எதையுமே காது கொடுத்து கேட்க மாட்ற. Imagine the mother is teaching her daughter something and she's not so interested in the lesson. So, நீ எதையுமே காது கொடுத்து கேட்க மாட்ற. You're not paying attention to anything at all. நீ, you, எதையுமே to anything, காது கொடுத்து, lending your ear, கேட்க மாட்ற. You're not listening. So this is just not for kids or elders. The image and tone is only to make you understand. So you can use it with anyone. But of course not in a formal situation, not to your boss. That may be rude. To your boss you would ingratiatingly tell, please could you listen? And definitely not. நீ எதையுமே காது கொடுத்து கேட்க மாட்ற. Say something to your boss and be ready to look for the door to find your way out to another job. நீ எதையுமே காது கொடுத்து கேட்க மாட்ற. நீ எதையுமே காது கொடுத்து கேட்க மாட்ற. If someone says anything, you simply get it into your head. யாராவது ஏதாவது சொன்னால் அப்படியே மனசில் ஏற்றிக்கிற. ஏற்றிக்கிற means you get it loaded into. If someone says anything, you just get it into your head. யாராவது anyone ஏதாவது சொன்னா, if they say something, அப்படியே as it is மனசில் ஏற்றிக்கிற. You take it in your mind. Can't you think and act on your own? சொந்த புத்தின்னு உனக்கு கிடையவே கிடையாதா உனக்கு? சொந்த புத்தி means the ability to think on one's own. சொந்த புத்தி, the mind of one's own. ஒன்று, such a thing, கிடையவே கிடையாதா? Is it not there at all? உனக்கு, in you? If you are in a good mood to pick a quarrel, these are very effective phrases to get started. சொந்த புத்தின்னு உனக்கு கிடையவே கிடையாதா உனக்கு? ட்ரை இட். If you cannot control your mind, that's it. மனசு ஒரு நிலையாக இல்லைனா அவ்வளோதான். It's a good advice for people of all ages. If you cannot control your mind, that is it. மனசு, the mind, ஒரு நிலையாக இல்லைனா, if it is not steady, அவ்வளோதான். That's it. மனசு ஒரு நிலையாக இல்லைனா அவ்வளோதான். மனசு ஒரு நிலையாக இல்லைனா அவ்வளோதான். And this is a reply to a learner by name Banu. The reader or the learner was asking, is there a way we can learn the conjugation, and is there a conjugation book we can refer to for all the tenses? I have no idea of any conjugation books in Tamil, but if you have a look at the videos from 172 to 176 which I've made for learners like you, it's a comprehensive conjugation and tenses learning material. And watching those videos a couple of times, it can make your learning and foundation in language amazingly strong. All the best, Banu. I hope you found these phrases useful. And apart from this YouTube channel, you can also learn phrases daily from the Instagram channel Learn Speak Tamil. All of these make your speaking Tamil or the spoken Tamil definitely like a native. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam.